प्लीज वेलकम बैक टू द टेकमैन आरजे चैनल। और आज हम एक नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेके आए हैं आपके लिए। और ये वीडियो है जो हमने लास्ट अनबॉक्सिंग की थी मॉडल 14 लैपटॉप की। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू इट इन डेप्थ। एक्चुअली इसको मैंने लास्ट 3 डेज से आई एम यूजिंग इट कम्प्लीटली। मैंने इसको यूज़ करके डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स पे, और जैसे आपने बहुत सारे कमेंट्स किए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल धन्यवाद फॉर दैट कि आपने बहुत सारे कमेंट्स किए और क्वेश्चंस पूछे। और ये जो हम लोग ने रिव्यू किया था या अनबॉक्सिंग किया था उसका हम एक डिटेल रिव्यू करने वाले हैं इस लैपटॉप के साथ। दिस इज MSI Model 14 i5 10th जनरेशन लैपटॉप। सो मैं आपको सबसे पहले अगर मैं स्टार्ट कर दूँ इसका, सो आई यूज इट कम्प्लीटली फॉर 8 आवर्स एंड विदाउट बैटरी इसका ड्रेन नहीं हुआ। इट गिव मी द कंप्लीट 8 आवर्स बैटरी बैकअप। उसके बाद भी 2 आवर्स बैटरी बैकअप ये शो कर रहा था। ओके, सो एज कंपनी जैसे बताती है कि 10 आवर्स का बैटरी बैकअप है। सो यस, सो मिनिमम मैंने तो 8 आवर्स के लिए कंप्लीट इसको यूज किया। इवन इट वाज फॉर कंप्लीट होल नाइट इट वाज ऑन स्टैंड बाय। ओके, सो उसके बाद भी मेरे को एक रिलेटिवली बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला इसका बैटरी बैकअप का। सो ऑब्वियसली दिस लैपटॉप शुड गिव यू द 10 hours of battery backup. That is the first thing. Another thing which I observed, it's a fully metallic. Okay, this is completely a metallic body. Okay, plastic नहीं है. So because of that एक प्रीमियम लुक आता है ये लैपटॉप में, और दिस इज ओनली अवेलेबल इन अ ब्लैक कलर। सो स्टिल इट गिव्स द प्रीमियम लुक। अगर आप इसका बैक देखोगे तो यहाँ पे MSI का लोगो आता है। इट्स अ रियली प्रीमियम लुक। The next thing, multiple people ask me about the display. So let me tell you, 157 in last video I guess I told like 157 nits, but it's 157 pixels per inch PPI, that is PPI, and it's absolutely a good display with 157 PPI. So basic normal monitor comes with 100 to 150 PPI and it can support 4K. Even I tried 8K sample video on this, and there is no, I can say I tried it online, so it was there not that much good quality of network for 8K to run the video, but the detail quality, the colors appearing, it's like appealing. The RGB is 100% for this laptop, but I checked with some of the application by installing the application. So RGB was around 93%, because the black appears very good black, the gray appears 100% gray, that is 0 to 255. So all I think the display is very good. Another thing, it has the SSD of 512, that is NVE. So it's a good kind of, it has normal basic read write speed of 450 to 600. That's one thing. I think no much. If I can tell you about the traveling distance of this key. Previously in first video I think it was little bit different, but it's really good. Even I'm using now the ThinkPad of Lenovo. Same thing I'm getting here. Just that. Yeah. So one more next question is about it was about the trackpad. So the trackpad of this is very sensitive. It's a good, like normal. It's not too sensitive, but it's good. But right, and here the buttons come inside the trackpad. Right click or left click, it comes with the complete trackpad. Right, there are no separate buttons. So that is little bit somewhere I'm like lagging for me, because I'm using the ThinkPad with a button. Okay. Another thing, the backlit, it's very good because it given the white backlit. So these are some advantages. I can say it's very good for the business purpose. If you are a IT person or the business person who wants to use a lightweight or traveling purpose. Even I did the last video editing on this machine, and sometimes it was reaching to the complete CPU 100%, but the RAM was fine because I'm using the VSDC and it takes only 4 to 6 GB of RAM. And but sometimes it was the performance was when I was rendering the files, that time it was reaching the highest CPU 100%, but that was in the balance mode. I was not using high performance. So there is one more thing, that is the creator studio in it. That is really the appreciable thing given by the MSI, because creator center gives you you can free up the memory, clean up the disk, you no need of the third party installations of any software. Here you can use your this laptop in the high performance mode, balance mode, then silent mode, super battery mode. So in the balance mode, it optimizes your CPU if you are doing the video editing till 100% sometimes, but that doesn't cause anything, like it is not shut down in the PC or nothing. What happened, it really optimizing the things. Another things, when I was doing the editing, I feel little bit hit over here. That is, it has the vents outside, like back of the panel. It has back of the panel, so might be after so much time it can radiate the heat towards the screen, but it was not the case. The temperature was fine. It was normal. So now also it's 38%. So it was like 40-42 when I was rendering, and but that feeling was here at the left hand side. Okay, and now also little bit because I'm using it all day, so a little bit it's hitting. Little bit hitting is there. Operation model. If I tell you the speakers, here are two dual speaker. This one is comes with the dual speaker, and it has really good sound. If I can able to show you the sound, but I felt that this is very good sound was coming from the videos. If you can hear. It's really a good sound, and it's very like it's a good big sound because it coming surround sound, like a surround sound, because two speakers are right hand left hand side, two speakers are there. So it's a really good in the sound perspective. It has a good display quality, so there is no issue. But yes, if you are thinking about the gaming or the really intensive editing work, if you are going with the photo editing, it could be very good with Adobe Premiere or any Photoshop. It will be very good because I can see that the performance. But if you are going to do some 4K editing video, then it's not possible. I have done it till 720 pixel for the YouTube, whatever the required it is, 720 pixel. It's enough and it is good for that. Okay. And about the gaming, I haven't played any game on this, but yeah, I can say that the lightweight games, like even the PUBG, Voice City 5, I'm going to install it, but it will work good. CS and Counter Strike or something. PUBG might be. I don't know much about the gaming, but it may work very well on this. As of now, what I'm thinking is like this is a very good laptop. Okay, so if you are not using it for the high performance video editing and not for like intensive gaming, because this is not built for that. This is thin lightweight laptop for business purpose, right? Or the office purpose basically, or to travel. You can do the editing, that's not an issue. You can normal your YouTube videos, you can edit it, no problem. It's working fine. Flex, it's very good. There is absolutely not a flex. Even in the keys, there is no much flex because of the metal thing. So no issues. I don't think there is any cons for 50,000. The review from my side. I heard on the comments that there are lots of comments on the previous video. So please go and check that video of unboxing, how it feels. Apart from that, the whatever I have just reviewed it, so just see that also. But I think I'm not like promoting the Flipkart. I'm not getting anything from the Flipkart, but it was available on the Flipkart, so I was checking the name of that. But I don't know where the Flipkart actually giving the delivery or not, because in some part of the India region they were telling that Flipkart is not available. So one more, the clear thing is I haven't checked all the service center of the MSI. So before buying this, if you really liked it, before buying this, you do check the service center if it matters for you, because there is no on-site warranty from the MSI on this laptop. Okay, that's the one thing needs to be taken care. So yeah, that was the ultimate review. I think the in-depth review of it. So after this also, if you have any issue or any comments, just do comments below and subscribe to my channel Techman RJ, because that will help me to create multiple videos. Okay, so like this video, share this video with your friends and families who really wants to buy some new PC or laptop. Okay, so that was the quick review of the Modern 14. If you haven't watched my the previous video, please go and watch that also.